Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Caesar, and on this video I'm going to show you how you can attach a document when you're going to send an email on Getresponse. For example, if you are using Outlook, Gmail, or Hotmail, it's very easy to attach a document, and in Getresponse it's also easy, but you need to know the steps. And the first step is that you need to go first to Files and Images. You need to click here, and then you need to click here in add files, because you need to upload first your file to the Getresponse server. So we're going to add this, and then what you need to do is you need to click here in these three dots and copy the URL. And then when you are writing your letter or newsletter, we are going to click here to download the image or the file, and then you need to click here in the attachment and paste the URL of the document. And as you can see, when people receive this email and click here, they are going to go to the file that you upload into the Getresponse server, and that's how you can attach a file when you're going to send a newsletter on Getresponse. If you have any question below, you can comment below the description of this video, guys, and I will be glad to respond to questions to help you in your journey. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.